Hi, my name is Stephan and I'm the technical lead in the Customer Briefing Center in Ashbourne. And today I'm with Brian O'Sullivan, who is a collaboration specialist in the UK. And together we would like to talk with you about the Cisco Webex Education Connector. And the Cisco Webex Education Connector is something which you can seamlessly integrate into your LMS. And here we speak about Canvas, Blackboard, Sakai, or Moodle. And by that, we make it possible that students, teachers, and professors can collaborate without any boundaries. And they can collaborate in a virtual classroom, everything happening with the integration of Webex Teams into Moodle and any other LMS. And by saying that, let's go and let's have a look. So the Webex Education Connector basically has three very important pillars. The first one is the classroom collaboration. And here you can, as a teacher, create spaces. You can add team members to easy chat with each other. You can share files, for example, and so on and so forth. The second pillar is the virtual meetings. And here you have the option to schedule meetings. You can add them. You can also start them from here. You can see the start point on my left. You can also have an overview of the past meetings which happened, and you also can see all the recordings. Furthermore, you have a cool feature which is called office hours. And in the office hours, a teacher, which is in this case me, I can select office hours, a time where basically all the students or a student in particular can reserve this time and ask questions about the subject. So, and I can just easily tick the times which suit me the most. And because I'm an early bird, of course, I would go for the 7 a.m. meeting. And hopefully not a lot of students are going to book it. In the setup, we can choose if we want to have all the features enabled, or if we also we can select the time zone, and we have the option to give grades whether or in case a student attends a meeting or not. And also we have a reminder bot who reminds students and teachers that there's a meeting scheduled. And students and teachers also going to receive an email. Last but not least, let's have a look into the analytics. So here on this page, teachers can easily see how many team spaces are created, how many meetings are scheduled, and they also can see how many office hours are booked. So this is a very neat tool just to track everything which is going on into your Webex or in your Webex Education Connector. And by that, I would like to hand over to Brian.
Okay, thank you very much, Stephan. So Stephan in this scenario is my teacher, and here I'm in course 1 Themin format as my teacher has previously mentioned. And the Webex Education Connector is seamless. It integrates very seamlessly into this LMS, so this learning management system in particular is Moodle. And here, as you can see, I have the standard Webex chat features where I can actually message, and I can actually also I can share files directly from my PC. With that, I can also do virtual meetings. So no matter where I am in the world, I can attend my math class. So my teacher has here assigned math class on a bi-weekly basis, and I can see my upcoming meetings, I can see my past meetings, and in the future, once I have recordings in place, I can also see my recorded meetings. Now, just as my teacher Stephan had mentioned, he has some office hours in place, and this is exactly the student view. So this is what I will be able to see when I want to actually book a meeting or maybe a slot to actually discuss my course with my teacher in the future. So as you can see, This is fully customizable and it will only show the office hours that are available to me. Here we can set the time also, and it's set in Berlin time. So now, how about we actually join a call from within the actual virtual meeting itself. So in this case, I have a meeting here from 12:45 to 1:45. And if my teacher joins this call, I can simply just press the big green join button that I'm used to joining. So now I'm ready to go. I believe my teacher has joined the class, so I'm going to press this button also. So what this is doing now, it's admitting me into the meeting, and it's also giving me a couple of options. So if I have the Webex meeting app, I can go ahead and open that in the Webex meeting app, or I can just join from my browser. So today we showed you Cisco's Webex Education Connector. This allows for seamless integration with any of your learning management systems so that you can collaborate without boundaries. To find out more information, search for Cisco Webex Education Connector on the Cisco website today. Thank you very much for watching.